Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to start drugs of choice in pregnancy. So let's get started. Drugs of choice for ectopic pregnancies, methotrexate. Drugs of choice for induction of labor is oxytocin. Drugs of choice for postpartum hemorrhage, oxytocin. Drugs of choice for hypertension in pregnancy is alpha methyl-dopa. Drugs of choice for endometriosis is danazol. Drugs of choice for asthma in pregnancy is beta-2 agonist. Drugs of choice for postpartum breast engorgement is oxytocin. Drugs of choice for seizure in eclampsia is magnesium sulfate. Drugs of choice in seizure during pregnancy is phenobarbital. Drugs of choice for hypertensive emergency in pregnancy is labetalol. Drugs of choice for postpartum hemorrhage, oxytocin. Drugs of choice for falciparum malaria in pregnancy is quinine. Drugs of choice for cerebral malaria is quinine. Drugs of choice for gonorrhea is penicillin or ceftriaxone. Drugs of choice for toxoplasmosis in pregnancy is spiramycin. Drugs of choice for malaria in pregnancy is chloroquine. Drugs of choice for acne is erythromycin oral or benzoylvagonate is topical. Drugs of choice for epilepsy in pregnancy is phenobarbital. Drugs of choice for mania in pregnancy is olanzapine. Drugs of choice for hyperthyroidism is propylthiouracil. Drugs of choice for hypothyroidism is levothyroxine. Drugs of choice for bacterial vaginosis in first trimester clindamycin. Drugs of choice cholera in pregnancy is furazolidone. Drugs of choice for typhoid fever in pregnancy is ceftriaxone and ampicillin. Drugs of choice for amoebiasis is metronidazole. Is contraindicated in the first trimester. Drugs of choice for amoebiasis in first trimester is furazolidone. Drugs of choice deep vein thrombosis is heparin. Next one. Drugs of choice for preventing neural tube defect is folic acid. Drugs of choice for anticoagulation in pregnancy heparin. Drugs of choice for mania is lithium. Drugs of choice for myasthenia gravis is neostigmine. Drugs of choice for thrombophlebitis is aspirin. Drugs of choice for urinary tract infection during pregnancy ampicillin. Drugs of choice for HIV in pregnancy is zidovudine or neviprapine. Drugs of choice for resistant typhoid ceftriaxone. Drugs of choice for tuberculosis INH with rifampicin. Drugs of choice for vitamin B12 deficiency cyanocobalamin. Drugs of choice for iron deficiency ferrous sulfate. Drugs of choice for antiplatelet action aspirin. Drugs of choice for anxiety is benzodiazepine. Drugs of choice for pain is aspirin or paracetamol. Drugs of choice for depression in pregnancy is tricyclic antidepressant drugs. Drugs of choice for superficial thrombophlebitis is aspirin. Drugs of choice for bacterial vaginosis in first trimester in pregnancy is clindamycin. Drugs of choice for rosacea is Anest. Drugs of choice for seizure benzodiazepine. Drugs of choice for seizure maintenance is phenobarbital. Drugs of choice for rheumatoid arthritis is aspirin. Drugs of choice for schizophrenia is phenothiazine. Example like haloperidol. Drugs of choice for seborrheic dermatitis salicylic acid. Drugs of choice for psoriasis is topical corticosteroid or salicylic acid. Drugs of choice for Xylella dysentery is ampicillin. Thank you.